there, Christian. John here from LA Mazda. So you have interest in this beautiful 2018 Chevrolet Sonic. So you're gonna save some money at the pumps. You have the 1.8 underneath the hood right here. Open for you. You're gonna get it all cleaned up and everything. Just want to show you the engine bay. Eco Tech 2, so you're gonna save the money in your wallet. Except for when you're at the pumps. It's a projection beam headlights. Got some nice chrome finishing right up here. Coming around. I really love this blue. Myself, big vehicle, small vehicle. Still get in here. Always put my feet in there, and therefore a big guy can sit back here. Obviously, wouldn't want to go too far. You got power windows back here too. Child safety locks if you need to have those kids locked in. Have a lot of cargo space. I'm gonna get my camera going off the front trying to finish that side. Alright there, Christian, upon purchase too, you get a full tank and a full detailed clean. There's already a full tank in this thing, and there's only 47,023 kilometers. You have your heated seats, air conditioning, power locks, power mirrors, windows and window locks. Traction takeoff, you can pop your trunk right there. 12-volt capability. Nice little spot pop-up glove box, and then original glove box down there. Speakers for your Bluetooth, which is on this side, cruise control on that side. This is the perfect vehicle. Love to beat you, put you behind the wheel, take you for a drive, see how I can earn your business. Feel free to give me a call at 780-599-0277. Have a wonderful Sunday.